Hello, how are you music lovers? Welcome back to iTechnology Reviews. Today we're gonna make a review, a comparison between the JBL ES80 and the Sony SS-CS3. As in terms of dimension, you see that JBLs are way taller, are way in volume, are bigger, are heavier. It has 21 kilograms. It's way bigger, it's like double than Sony. Well, I don't know if it's really a comparison because the JBL speakers are in another league. But guys, for you to make a test, a comparison, and for you to make an idea to what to purchase, if you have a larger budget, the JBL are rated to 40 kilohertz and the Sonys are rated, I got to say this, a fake rating of 50 kilohertz, because the heights, even it has heights and ultra heights, it will not be at the prestige and the level and the sound quality of the sound that the JBL offers. Both have tweeters and ultra high tweeters, but I know what it's inside the Sony, and our small capacitors is not a great quality compared to the JBL that has all the components. You see the heavy components, JBL branded, all the components inside and on the electronic board. Compared to the Sony, the only con that JBL has, it's the evacuation hole that the Sony, it's good at put it in the front. I really don't know why JBL didn't put in the front the evacuation hole. There are people who doesn't have a subwoofer, and the evacuation hole helps the air, first thing, and the second purpose serves at the bass reflex giving you in the front where you are. And this JBL has a great bass. If you are seeing the speakers and the membrane, the rubber membrane of the speakers are way bigger. The JBL has a mid speaker difference from the Sony. And guys, let's cut to the chase. Let's hear the sound and we will make an honest opinion, an objective opinion, a real opinion about how they sound.